Okay, your first boy. Okay, so I'll start with introduction muna. Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening by the way. My name is Marian and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here from Remote Philippines Jobs. So let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here in the company. So please welcome once again Miss Glasel Resuelo. Hi Miss Glasel, hello,
Miss
hello.
Marian.
Hello again. So, okay Miss, before we start, can you please introduce yourself to our audience muna?
Hello everyone, my name is Mazel and I'm from Cebu, Philippines. I've been with the company with RPJ for 5 months now.
There you go. Okay, by the way, guys, I'm also from Leyte. So, pareho kami ni Miss Gazelle na mga Bisaya. Bisaya nga dako, mga bisdak. Okay, but for you to understand our what we're saying also, so ano min ngayon, code switching. So, either English, Tagalog, at Bisaya. Parang nag-shika lang kami ngayon ni Miss Gazelle. Okay, so to start, Miss, my first question to you would be just, real feeling question. Parang ganon. When you got accepted here at RPJ, what was your honest reaction?
I was overwhelmed because it's my first job application for VA position, and then I was accepted right away, so overwhelmed ko and kanang mixed emotion in the sense na oy VA na ko, and then I'm starting to work na, and then everyone is just so friendly, so yeah, overwhelmed and mixed emotions.
True. Nakaka-overwhelm talaga if ever lang. Especially that you're just transitioning from a previous job to another job.
Yeah.
Especially this is your first time working remotely, right? And I'm so glad that you found RPJ and you're here now with us. Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss Gudel. So, in regards when the first time you got accepted here, what was your first impression of the company?
Since as what I mentioned, first time go for the VA industry, my first impression is like everyone is accommodating and they're so friendly. I have doubts in the first few weeks during my work, but everyone seems so friendly and then accommodating. If I have questions, then they're very willing to answer me. So yun, like instead of being pressured, but I was comforted by the people around.
Same, miss. Especially if you're about to talk like real people. Like makafeel ka at ease bitaw if you're really talking with real people. So, what do you call this? I'm happy that your journey in here, especially like first time here, smooth na kaayo yung mga experience, especially dari as a what do you call this RPJ. Okay, so next question I have here, miss, is what stood out to you most? No, what stood out to you most during the onboarding or the training?
Ano is uh, kanang katong when Miss Mary told me that I was really awarded formally. So they sent me my SOPs, and then I was just reading, and then they're asking me my summary, and then na-stood out jud sa ako kay I'm very fast na like I received the email that I am onboarded. Then the day after, they gave me the SOP. And then the day after, ilan ako gisabag sa kung ano sa work diretso. I was like, miss, kanang nagbasa mo ba akong SOP? And she said, no, kanang start na dyan ko work. I said, yes, start na ka. Kanang, learning experience. Like, para sa ko, I can learn kanang right away if kanang nanasad ko, like, sa production na for example. And ko, okay, miss, kanang na-overwhelm mo ko, miss, diretso. Like, nakapasar ko sa interview, then onboarded. Wala, work na dayo. Photo miss, like, very soft, a very smooth man, boy. Like, wala may sa uban.
Sorry ka, I think Miss Mary believe na kaya ni mo buhaton. And yeah, I think also, or I believe also na mas maayo mo siya, like, really, real-time experience ba, kaysa masigir tanawag video, masigir basag modules or SOP, much better, do the work na lang. If ever na may errors or na kay mga clarifications, like mahinumduman bitaw siya, mahinumduman jud siya. So, I think that's a good practice also, being like, especially if start-up ka sa the industry. So, grabe ka smooth, grabe ka paspas, and grabe pud ka, o sa tawag ani, grabe ka fast learner si Miss Giselle, guys. Kaya just as fan of fun, tabak na sa trabaho, inana ka paspas diri ah. But yeah, you don't have to worry also since everything is provided naman. And if you have any questions, there are a lot of people for you to ask or pwede nimo i-reach out ra jud. So, yeah, thank you so much for that on Giselle. Miss Giselle, I know grabe ka siya ka-overwhelming, especially the station pagod ka no. So, it's overwhelming in your end. Okay, and so another question I have here, Miss, is do you feel more comfortable with the team compared to your first week here? Or yeah, do you feel more comfortable now first week?
Yes, miss. Okay. During my first week, it was Miss Joyce na ako rin yung ko like mag-ask ko sa iya ako mag-bombard mga questions, and I was like, Miss, what if day off di mo? Pinsa akong tuulo, then she recommended someone, and then at first maulaw pa ko mo chat because out of nowhere maganda kong chat sa isa-kitsa, but it was just experience the first week, but moving forward, okay ra jud siya tanan, miss. Like I am more comfortable with that team na gid.
True. True. At in, super jud ka diyot duulan bisag kinsa diri sa team. Like, oh, I'm sorry. Or nag-age. So yun. Parang, like, grabe ka, sobrang dali. Grabe ka dito jud kay duulan ng mga tao diri even gali atong boss dito kay duulan, di ba? So that's the reason also guys na kami mga VAs dili pud mapa-arte-arte nga dili mo reply. Right? Kay even our bosses mo reply yun. Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss. And what's one thing that you realize na okay, this environment and these people are really really cool. Nakaingon ba ka ana? Ibig sa imong journey diri
Yes, miss. It's like, you're like 5 months na ako with RPJ. Ma-compare na ko siya sa akong previous work. Na they are, like, RPJ is very pro-employee. Like, they really try their best to accommodate all of their VAs. Okay? Especially, for example, miss, masakit ka. Then you can just, tell them right away na I cannot work because of this. And they're just so understanding. And previously, sa akong previous work, dili gani dayon o parang na you cannot work. You need to, file an absent and sort of that. But with RPJ, because they're pro-employee and they value their employees, the VAs. So, para dyan siya, miss, it's just, pumila kayo sila,
Oh, I agree with you. I agree with you really, Giselle. Since last week I experienced that one also. Okay, I'm having cough and cold, then I really can have or take testimonial interviews. So, but I tried my best. But Matt and Philip said na kaning work ayaw ipugos kay mas ma-worsen pa daw ko na siya. So, wala ko nag-take of testimonial call for 2 days. Kaya grabe good kasakit sa kututulan and continue siya karon. Although napaghihapon but oh well. So, inana siya guys. Dili good siya lisod as long as nalan kay valid reason na nabitaw. Dili lang kay I'm absent ko ani kay ko ganung trabaho. Ayaw lang po nila na. Kaya masarap po kayo. Masarap po kayo. Okay. Thank you so much for that one, Ms. Giselle. And what new skills ang imuhang like na-develop na wala bitaw ka na-expect na ay naaman ko ani ma-develop ko capable man ko sa inani ng mga skills then grow siya taman-taman apan sa joining here with the company.
One is, with my previous works, I've been into admin tasks and also na-develop ako throughout sa akong mga experience, mga, techie sa computer side. And then, you should go into that. But when I had this kind of role, like traffic supervisor, and then Sir Phil asked me to mag-troubleshoot sa mga phone forms, and I was overwhelmed by that because ganahan ko guma-programming pero dili ra super basic lang siya, and then ganahan ko chance ni Sir Phil to do the job, and then mo to easy naman na siya, like maka-happy man niya siya and then ako ang skill with the mas sa computer na side sa improve because sa akong role and with the chance given by Sir Phil na to do the job, and he believed in me na I can do it then. Yeah.
Wow. Like it takes one people naman no to believe us para maning kamot pud bitaw ta. And actually like kana experience siguro nimo karon, it's really a good experience for the near future, di ba? And I'm so happy nga imo siyang gi-take on. So eventually magamit ra jud nato siya in the near future. But so far karon, are you confident na ba ana nga skills or happy ba ka ana nga skills nga gi-provide sa imuha or pagihatag bitaw ana nga obligation sa imuha?
Like na-shock lang ko sa, and he was like, Gazel, you need to do this and to do that, and ko, ay, not today, even ani ng mga platforms na wala ko kabalo, and then because of the new task, nakahibalo ko, and then happy ko sa, every time the VAs would ask, Miss, the farm is not working, the phone is not working, can you fix it? And then I was able to fix it right away. At first, Miss, kinakulbaan ko kay what if mo, mutaka na niya ko sa code, but then it was all smooth, and then happy na ko na ma-fix na ko ang farm, and then I was able to help the VAs as well. So yes, Miss, happy rin ko sa task na yung Sir Phil.
And that's not just the VA nga imong natabangan, which is like the process sa company and ang makuha pod sa company because sa imong help, and that's really or muna yung pinaka-importante, di ba? And thank you so much for sharing that one, Miss Glizal. Okay, with that, Miss, what's something that you learned about yourself through this job? Dili lang kayo mga skills imong na-gain, pero ano imong na-learn about sa imong kagalingon because of this job?
One, Miss, I've learned na I am into this type of working scheme because ma-burn out mo ko, for example sa office na, Miss, like I've been working for 6 years at corporate, and then mag-work of 8 to 8, like 8 to 5 kanang usual time sa working adult. Pero like right now, because of the new working scheme and with the nice company, nice colleagues, makaingon ko nga, I've learned na I'm for here. Okay, I get to also do the things I love outside work and manage siya. And then I just recently lang din siya, Miss, na I asked her Phil if I can adjust my schedule, like I can work 4 hours in the morning and also 4 hours in the evening so that I can also work with the USA VAs. And I was like, yes, that's really nice. And kung sir, if you allow me, kaya para for me lang, Miss, I am more capable of pause in between, then I can do something else. Kaya ma-burn out kita. Yes, and then like ang task para mag-audition, yung basin ma-overwhelm ko ba, hindi na ko ganahan. like you're already used to the task niya, basin mapaboard ko na I don't want that feeling. So gusto ko na akong pause in the middle, and then Sir Phil was like, yes, you can do that.
Sometimes I'm like that, miss. Gusto ko nga mo pause bitaw camera. Dili na mo process akong brain kung akong say diretso siya. So it needs to pause because sometimes I'm happy nga. Pero I know eventually bisan pag kung muas na jud ta, I know Sir Phil and Sir Matt, wala na jud sila. So mas kaya nimo siya buhaton. Kaya nimo siya buhaton. Super flexible jud diri ang guys. And yeah, thank you so much for that one, miss. And also, what was your like proudest moment working here so far? Nana ba kayo anang lang point?
It's like I would say so far the proudest moment I had with the company is when Sir Phil promoted me as a traffic supervisor, because I was with the company for like wait okay, na-promote ko is 3 months pa ako sa company, so it was like overwhelming, and at the same time very proud of myself na wait I have never experienced this, and ani kapaspas ang promotion, like you just have to do your job and then you'll be seen man said, like Sir Phil and Sir Matt would always kuan man said value your work. So mo is so far proud ko sa myself na 3 months na lang ako gi-promote kay Sir Phil.
Di ba? Sa atong previous job, taman-taman pa tagpalarabaho, dili man gani mo ingon nga thank you, you did well, di ba? I'm not generalizing, but based on experience. Pero di ba, dili adito na kita makadawat og thank you so much, you did well, you're really amazing. And mo na jud nato kinahanglan din pag like dugay-dugay ang promotion, basta as long as kanang makadawat kita ka mga fulfilling nga mga words.
Yes.
Like murag maningkamot nun ka, ano pa sa mo promotion tungod sa mga ina, it's really helpful. And we can assure you guys, our bosses here, they're really kind, really amazing guys. If you're really looking for like someone chill lang, pero dapat maningkamot ko no, pero chill lang. Ang like dili jud ka ma-burn out, dili ikaw mo maikod yung muhaw. Super ka buhatan, magwasa yung boss mo. Asa kasi buhatan na dyan yung ana. If you're looking for someone nga boss ng inana, di dyan mo magmahay dun sa RPJ. Like, no joke. Di dyan mo magmahay. Pero mga sabat sila, if di mo buhatan na yung mga inana lang. So, I'm happy na we both have the experience with Miss Grisel, together with Miss Grisel. Inana mo ang lecture here. So, mawala dyan na mo maingon. Manikamot lang dyan. Eventually, ma-promote na like Miss Grisel. Wow. Okay. So, thank you so much for that one, Miss. Another question I had here is, since the transition, di ba ka, from corporate to remote work, what's one thing you didn't expect to enjoy about remote work?
The kuan miss the preparation time nga mo to work, it takes traffic pa and then you have to prepare yourself, and then they're all working remotely and then start your work. Yes.
Diba? So, yeah, totally agree. Makakuha na siya, mga culture shock. Wala ka, ay, dili na rin ko need magpagwapa, mag-bake up, mag-usap na dila, kay matutugkuhan. Ikaw na kumulingkod sa akong table, then good to go na ana.
Yes.
So, yeah, makakuha siya, where makalitan daw ka, pero hindi siya sa feeling. Right? Naman din, nga trabaho nga, ikaw na kumulingkod. Di ba? Makakuha, ano, tama-tama naman ko panarbaho, mag-make up, mabadang sa nina, kapit naman din nga trabaho. Yeah, ang still okay po, di ba? May pareho lang. So, yeah, I'm really happy nga you took the chance jud, or you took the risk nga mo transition. I'm happy jud ko nga nakadiri ka naghatag saya diri sa company. Super. So daghan na. Okay, to continue, Miss Lizelle. Like what's one word that best describes your experience here at RPJ and why?
Wow, we're always universities. Yeah. Ako ma-think right now, the best word that would describe my whole experience so far with RPJ would be honest, homey, because like everyone felt at home because not just legit gonna work at home, but the vibe and then how they accommodate, especially with Sir Phil and Sir Matt. Just last week, I was also like not feeling well, so dito siya ako na proof how they are pro-employee, how they value the employees, how they value their VAs. And then may ko comments kay what's up with Nessa with Sir Phil, like wait honey, one-on-one jud nga chat mga sir, I really couldn't do it. Wala jud ko sa GC nga kuan for us because like we have time ago dash task ni hatag sa kuha. And then it's very important. And then I was like, sir, I cannot, really work well. Okay, I'm not feeling well. And I was like, no worries. How are you? How is it going? And then I felt so valued at that time. Kay, if dito pa sa corporate, oh my gosh, was like that. Like you cannot feel the homey vibe. And then especially with your boss, like not be a gap. But then with RPJ, everyone feels just so homey, accommodating, and friendly.
Wow, hiray ka to sa feeling right now. You felt everyone homey vibes. And it's really important kay dili ka kapuyon bitaw kung kanang like inani mostly or most of the VAs kaya mga Pinoy, and then kapwa na nato Pinoy may mag well, you know what I mean. And makafeel kita pag homey vibe sa usa ka like work environment. It's really important kaya para ito, dili ta mo burn out, so you've mentioned.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for that one, Miss Lizelle, na you felt as homey. Thank you so much. Ito na ako kagaling mo, Okay, so my second to the last question to you would be, would you recommend this experience to someone else? Why or why not?
Yes, I would definitely recommend RPJ. For ano lang, kanang ako sa share ko sa akong friends. Like they were asking me, okay, I was very, let's say, silent sa ako ang mga plans sa akong, career. And then they were like asking, ano ba ka nag-work or no? I was like, yes, I'm working with the new industry. And then it was like, can you introduce me with your company? Ako lagi pang hatag na ng link niya sa ako. They also send out sa mga, I would always recommend RPJ sa ako mga friends na I am working really well with a company that's really kanang suits like everything. Wala ko ipakita, the boss, the management, the colleague. Okay din kayo.
Dami naman kayo na, oy, like, binavouch siya ni Miss Giselle, or even I, ginavouch siya na ko siya, ang company, kung ganahan yung kumpanya nga, ano bitang, dili ka ma-stress, like, dili ka toxic, inana dyan. And it's really rare, especially if agency, right? Especially if agency, guys. This company dyan, like, we're not, like, the block kami dali ha, we're not. Because, gusto na naman ma-experience po ninyo kung saan mo na-experience. So, that's only, it's important also, like, where i-share po da, kung saan mo na-experience towards the same. And, yeah, one last question I have here, Miss, to close our conversation or to wrap up today's conversation. Would you still choose this job again if you went back in time? If you had like the opportunity to, imo paghihapon ning i-take like i-choose paghihapon nimo nga na trabaho when we back in time, and why?
Yes, miss, I would say, if kabalo lang ko, if kabalo lang jud ko nga dahil nga set up the work na yung company, of course, I would choose this type of work and the work scheme. Today ako mas for 6 years. Nag-work sa corporate.
Oo. True, I agree. Ang kaingon kita sa nga pero pamali ako nakitaan, di ba? So yeah, wala na siya, guys. I hope na nakakita mo nga video, kay it's really like for me lang ha, if you don't have experience, it's really a best like work training ground for you to gain skills. It's really important, especially sa the industry. You really need to have like top skill or to have lots of skills. So in ano lang siya. And RPJ will really support you. We don't really require VA experience here. We even hire ka ng mga newbies or mga kanang transition pa for remote work. Dili dyan mo maproblema dali ang hello, wala ko experience, ang taon din ako siya. As long as buhaton lang dyan mo tanan ang gipa kayo while the interview. Although dili ka siya kakuan. Basta buhaton lang dyan mo imong best. Inana na dyan siya.
Yeah.
Eventually makita na dyan sa interviewer kung naningkamot or wala pa. O wala ka naningkamot. So I think that's it. Gabi kapaspas, 26 minutes na niya ang chika. So, giubo ko na din, gawat tabi. Yeah, we just want to share this one, guys, to you, to all of you here. So, I think, Ms. Giselle, that's for today's conversation. And I just want to say thank you again for sharing your experience. Like, it really means a lot. And I know a lot of people will be able to relate to your journey or to your experience or to relate to this. And guys, if you're watching this and you're curious about remote work or becoming a VA, I hope this still an honest like glimpse of what it's like behind the. And also, if you feel like this is something that you want to explore or you want to explore RPJ, don't hesitate to reach out or like drop a comment in the comment section. So, inana lang siya. And please also don't forget to LSSC, like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much again, Ms. Giselle. Continue to be an inspiration to everyone. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye for now!